Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to join underline text in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first, number 1 plain underline, number 2 double underline, number 3 bold underline, number 4 dotted underline, number 5 dash underline. At first, plain underline. Firstly, select your text and go to the home menu option and click the underline icon, more option, and click the plain underline. So again that, select your text and click here underline option, select your text, click the underline icon and plain, click for plain underline icon. Secondly, number 2 double underline. Select your text and click here underline option and click here double underline. Select your text and click the underline icon option, more option, and click here double underline. Number 3 bold underline. Firstly, select your text and underline icon and click bold underline option. Select your text and click here underline icon and click here bold underline option. Number 4 dotted underline. Firstly, select your text, click here underline icon and click here dotted underline option. Select your text and click for underline icon and click for dotted underline option. Number 5 dash underline option. Firstly, select your text and click here underline icon and click for dash underline option. So I can that, select your text and click for underline option and click dash underline. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.